In the world of finance, there's a buzz around Bitcoin. It's a topic that's hard to ignore, with headlines constantly highlighting its meteoric rise and occasional falls. But beyond the hype and the headlines, there's a deeper story unfolding. It's not just about getting rich quick, it's about a paradigm shift in how we think about money and value. Bitcoin represents a new way of looking at financial independence and security. It's about taking control of your financial future. Imagine being able to manage your wealth without relying on traditional banks or financial institutions. This is the promise that Bitcoin holds. 0.01. Bitcoin might not seem like much, but it can be a powerful first step. It's a small investment that can open the door to understanding and participating in the world of cryptocurrency. Think of it as a seed you plant. Just like any investment, it requires patience and care. Over time, with the right conditions, that small seed can grow into something substantial. With time and care, that seed can grow into something substantial. It's about nurturing your investment and watching it flourish, much like tending to a garden. Many people feel priced out of Bitcoin. They see the high prices and think it's too late to get involved. But that's not the case. They see the headlines about its rising value and think, I've missed the boat. However, the reality is that Bitcoin is still in its early stages, and there's plenty of room for growth. But here's the truth. Owning even a fraction of a Bitcoin can make a difference. It's about getting your foot in the door and starting your journey in the world of digital currency. It's about joining a movement, becoming part of a decentralized future. A future where financial power is more evenly distributed and accessible to everyone. This isn't about gambling on short-term price swings, it's about a long-term vision and understanding the broader implications of this technology. It's about understanding the potential of this revolutionary technology. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency, it's a new way of thinking about and interacting with money. Bitcoin is limited, like digital gold. Its scarcity is what gives it value, much like precious metals. As more people realize its value, that value is likely to grow. The more people who understand and invest in Bitcoin, the stronger and more valuable it becomes. Owning 0.01 Bitcoin is about taking a chance on yourself and your future. It's a small step that can lead to significant financial empowerment. It's about stepping into a world of financial empowerment and opportunity. By taking this small step, you're opening the door to a new financial future, one where you have more control and more possibilities. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. Yes, Bitcoin has seen incredible growth and its price can fluctuate, but the beauty of Bitcoin is that it's divisible. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin to get started. 0.01 Bitcoin is a very attainable amount, even for those new to the world of cryptocurrency. Think of it like buying a cup of coffee each week, but instead, you're investing in your financial freedom. Don't let the price tags you see on exchanges intimidate you. Remember, you're not buying a whole Bitcoin, you're buying a fraction of it. And that fraction can still have a significant impact on your financial well-being over time. The key is to start small and be consistent. Just like you wouldn't expect to get rich from one day at the gym, you won't get rich overnight with Bitcoin. It's about the long game, the slow and steady accumulation of this valuable asset. You might be thinking, isn't Bitcoin just for tech geniuses and early adopters? The answer is a resounding no. Bitcoin is for everyone, regardless of your background or technical expertise. The beauty of Bitcoin is that anyone can participate. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just someone curious about new technologies, Bitcoin offers a unique opportunity. It's a decentralized system, meaning no banks or governments control it. This decentralization is what makes Bitcoin so revolutionary. In fact, a surprising number of everyday people are already invested in Bitcoin. From students to retirees, people from all walks of life are seeing the potential. They see it as a way to protect their savings from inflation and economic uncertainty. With traditional currencies losing value, Bitcoin offers a hedge against these risks. They recognize the potential of a truly global currency, free from the limitations of traditional financial systems. Bitcoin transactions can happen anywhere, anytime, without the need for intermediaries. Think of it this way. When the internet first emerged, many people were hesitant to embrace it. They couldn't foresee how it would revolutionize communication, commerce, and daily life. They didn't understand it, or they were afraid of the unknown. But over time, the internet became an integral part of our lives. But those who recognized its potential early on were able to reap the rewards. They became the pioneers, the innovators, and the leaders of a new digital age. The same is true for Bitcoin. We're at the cusp of a financial revolution, and those who understand its potential stand to benefit immensely. We're still in the early stages of this technology, and the opportunity for growth is immense. Just like the early days of the internet, Bitcoin is poised to change the world. By owning even a small amount of Bitcoin, you're positioning yourself on the right side of history, ready to be part of this groundbreaking shift, ready to benefit from the financial revolution that's already underway. The future of finance is here, and it's not too late to get involved. Educate yourself, stay informed, and take that first step. The world of Bitcoin is vast and full of potential, and it's waiting for you to explore it. From buying your first Bitcoin to using it for everyday transactions, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the change and be part of the future. Remember, you're not too late. The journey of Bitcoin is just beginning, and there's a place for everyone in this exciting new world. Section 4. Building your Bitcoin stash. Strategies for steady growth. So, you're ready to take the plunge and start accumulating your 0.01 Bitcoin. This might seem like a small amount, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. The key is to start somewhere and remain consistent in your efforts. But where do you begin? The world of Bitcoin can be overwhelming, especially with the constant flux in prices and the myriad of information available. It's important to have a clear strategy in place to navigate this landscape effectively. The good news is, there are several simple and effective strategies to get you started. These strategies are designed to be easy to implement and can fit into your daily routine without much hassle. One popular approach is to set aside a small amount of money each week or month specifically for buying Bitcoin. This method, often referred to as dollar cost averaging, helps mitigate the impact of market volatility by spreading out your purchases over time. This could be the equivalent of skipping your daily latte or putting aside a portion of your spare change. Small sacrifices in your daily spending can accumulate into a significant Bitcoin stash over time. Another option is to explore Bitcoin rewards programs. These programs are becoming increasingly popular and can be a great way to earn Bitcoin without making direct purchases. Certain companies now offer Bitcoin cashback on purchases, allowing you to passively accumulate Bitcoin while going about your everyday spending. Imagine earning Bitcoin just by shopping for your regular groceries or buying clothes online. You can also look into micro-earning platforms that reward you with small amounts of Bitcoin for completing tasks or watching ads. These platforms are perfect for those who have a bit of extra time and want to earn Bitcoin without any financial investment. While the rewards might seem minuscule, remember that every Satoshi counts, and these small amounts can add up over time. Consistency is key, and over months or years, these micro-earnings can grow into a substantial amount. The most important thing is to find a strategy that fits your lifestyle and budget. Whether it's setting aside a small amount regularly, earning through rewards programs, or using micro-earning platforms, the best strategy is one that you can stick with long-term. The goal is to make accumulating Bitcoin a regular habit, just like saving money or investing in your retirement. By integrating these strategies into your daily life, you can steadily grow your Bitcoin stash and potentially benefit from its long-term value appreciation. Section 5. Averaging in, riding the waves with dollar cost averaging. Bitcoin, like all investments, can be volatile. Its price can go up and down, sometimes dramatically. This volatility can be intimidating for newcomers, but it's important to remember that it's a natural part of any emerging market. Instead of trying to time the market and predict when Bitcoin's price will rise or fall, consider using a strategy called dollar cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price. By investing consistently, you're essentially buying Bitcoin at its average price over time. This helps to mitigate the risks associated with volatility and ensures that you're not buying all your Bitcoin at the peak of a bull market. Dollar cost averaging is a powerful tool for long-term investors. It takes the emotion out of investing and allows you to build your Bitcoin position gradually and steadily, regardless of market fluctuations.